You can also read values from your Excel file. So if we import PyExcel, import load workbook, so we can load our Excel file using the load workbook function and specify the file name, one we created in the last lecture, and then specify which sheet you want. So let's open the file, and then sheet is just named sheet. So, but if there's another, you can specify that. So we can say sheet ranges, and the sheet is named sheet. Then we can specify which cell we want to output. So let's say we want to output A1. And we can say output A1. And you'll see it gets the cell, however it doesn't show the value. So we have to type .value. And you'll see we have the cell value. Now we can do that for any cell. And in this case, a lot of the cells are just empty. However, B2, C3, and D4 are filled, so we can get data from those. So we can copy this and specify to output B2, C3, and D4. And if we run it, you'll see it gets the data from the Excel sheet. I've attached the program so you can run it on your own, and it just gets the data. And you can get data from any cell regardless of which cell it is.